Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of tech that promises to revolutionize how one manages video distribution. The TIMBOOTECH wireless HDMI transmitter and its 3 accompanying receivers. This isn't just another gadget. It's a comprehensive solution for anyone needing to send high-quality video and audio across significant distances without the mess and limitations of cables. Right out of the box, the silver finish of the units gives off a professional and sleek vibe, suggesting a robust build quality. But the real magic lies in its capabilities. This system operates on the 5.8 GHz frequency, which is a smart choice for stability and minimizing interference, ensuring a clean signal even in busy environments. The claim of 1080p resolution at 60 Hz is crucial, meaning viewers get crisp, smooth video that's perfect for everything from detailed presentations to fast-paced sports. One of the most impressive features is its incredible range, a staggering 820 feet. Imagine the possibilities. This isn't just for a single room. It opens up options for large homes, multi-floor offices, event spaces, or even outdoor setups where running long HDMI cables would be impractical or impossible. And with one transmitter feeding 3 receivers, one can effortlessly broadcast the same content to multiple TVs or monitors simultaneously. Think about a sports bar wanting to show the big game on several screens, a corporate setting needing to display a presentation in different conference rooms, or even a large home wanting to share a movie across various entertainment zones. This 1TX plus 3RX setup is a true game-changer for multi-display environments. But TIMBOOTECH didn't stop there. They've integrated KVM functionality, which stands for keyboard, video, and mouse. This means one can not only view the content remotely, but also control the source computer from any of the receiver locations. For IT professionals managing servers in a separate room, or even for someone wanting to control their media PC from the comfort of their couch without being tethered, KVM is an invaluable addition. Coupled with the IR remote support, one can even control the original source device, like a cable box or Blu-ray player, from where the receiver is located. Another thoughtful inclusion is the HDMI loop out on the transmitter. This allows for local monitoring of the content being sent wirelessly, which is incredibly useful for live streaming setups, presentations, or simply ensuring everything is working correctly before it goes out to the remote displays. It provides that extra layer of confidence and control. The TIMBOOTECH system is clearly designed for versatility, catering to live stream video and audio needs. Whether it's for professional events, educational institutions, digital signage, or just enhancing a home entertainment system, the ability to reliably transmit high-definition content to multiple points without wires is a significant advantage. It simplifies complex setups and offers unparalleled flexibility. For anyone looking to cut the cord on their HDMI connections and expand their video distribution capabilities, this TIMBOOTECH wireless system presents itself as a remarkably robust and feature-rich option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.